Hey guys, Nishant here. Welcome back to my channel Tech. Today we're gonna be unboxing the Xiaomi Super Bass wireless headphones, which just came out 3 days back, and I ordered it immediately on Amazon because the price looked really interesting. Here's the Amazon package. Let's quickly look at what's inside. A very typical Xiaomi box, I would say, with black and orange color to it. Mi Super Bass wireless headphones branding. Let's quickly peel off this cover. Okay, I ordered the black and gold version. I liked it more than the red one. Here's the box. 20 hours of playback time, 50 dynamic driver, light and comfortable feel. Bluetooth 5.0, this is a big deal. Bluetooth 5.0. Okay, and Mi Super Bass wireless headphones again. Let's see what's behind. See the price, it's 2199 rupees here, but on Amazon you're gonna get it for 1799, which is, I would say, for a wireless headphone is amazing for that price. Here's the import. It's just 1 month old as an import from China, so brand new tech. Okay, let's open it. Okay, I think I need a knife for this. Okay, let's just cut this seal and let's see inside what we're gonna get. Oh wow, very interesting. It opens like this. Very cool. Okay, let's just open everything and see the headset. Wow. Okay, I would say it's okay. Let's see what else we have here first. We have two cables and a user guide. Let's just remove it from the plastic and I'll show you. Here's the user guide. If you guys want to read, you can pause. You can pause and see it. Yeah, we don't want the user guide, just keep it aside. Oh, this is okay. This cable would be used to have a wired experience if your battery is dead. Maybe that time you're gonna use this cable. And this is a micro USB cable. It's not type C, guys, but come on, for that this price, no complaints. Okay, let's look at the headset. It really looks sleek and really trendy and really good. Let's just take it out from the plastic. Okay, let's peel this thing. What is this? It's just a branding, but I'll just peel this. Okay, I should say it's very light at just 150 grams, and yeah, it feels kinda on a plasticky side because it's made fully from plastic, but yeah, it's flexible. You can even adjust. Okay, that is pretty cool. And let's see the cushions. The most important things are the cushions. Cushions are very soft. Okay, I should test this for when I use it for long periods of time. Let's see. Here's the buttons, the power button and the volume keys are at the right hand side. That's cool. And this color also looks really nice. The black and gold. It feels really light actually. It's too light. I didn't expect it to be so light. Okay, let's power on. And hey, the blue light blinks. That means it's on. The Bluetooth is on. And as you can see, there's an 3.5 mm audio jack. And here's the micro USB port for charging. The buttons are also very nice, and it really feels plastic. Everything over here is plastic. But for 1799 rupees, what more you would get? Nice work, Xiaomi. And look at this. It kind of like adjusts how you want to hear the music. It just, wow, it's like really, I don't know what to say here. I'm not getting the word. Flexible, I guess. Pretty cool. This is my first impression. For the connectivity part, if you want the wired experience, it's pretty easy. You just put the one port in 3.5mm of the headphone and one in the phone. It's a typical thing, and you're good to go. But who's gonna use this? Most probably because you spent this much money because you wanted a wireless headphone. So let's power on the device here. Okay, it's blinking. Okay. So here's my OnePlus 5. Let's go to Bluetooth. Let's go to settings, pair new device. And let's see. Oh, here it is. Mi Super Bass wireless headphones. Pairing. Allow. And done. You're connected. It's 100% battery. It comes charged with 100% battery. No need to charge also, which is pretty nice. As you can see, it's Bluetooth 5.0, so you can even see the battery life. I should say I want to test this more. I can't give you a verdict right away, but the first impressions, I'm really impressed. Xiaomi, great work, because at this price you guys are unbeatable right now. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for my full review.